How to download a child's portable emergency record. In this video, we'll guide you through downloading the emergency form for each child. It's crucial to have a physical backup in a binder on site for emergencies, especially if digital files are inaccessible. Each time a child's information is updated or registered, print the form and place it in the binder. To locate this emergency form, begin by selecting the child. There are two methods to access it. First, navigate to the child through the Families module. After selecting the child, find their main profile and click on Export to PDF. The file will then appear in your downloads for easy printing. But what if you need to print records for an entire room at once for a bulk update to your binder? To do this, go to Reports, then Safety Reports and Emergency Info. Choose today's date and either select a specific group or the entire center by selecting No Group, then click Apply. A list of all children in the selected group will appear. You can choose individual children or select all to generate a PDF by clicking the three dots and selecting Generate PDF. Each child's information will be on a separate page, making it easy to organize alphabetically in the binder. And that's it! You're ready to start printing your emergency forms!